Welcome everyone to this video. Today I will show you how to choose who can get notifications about your posts on the Facebook Lite app. If you want to control who receives alerts when you share something, this video will guide you through. First, open the Facebook Lite app on your phone. Next, look at the top right and tap on the three horizontal lines. Then scroll down until you find the option called Settings and Privacy. Tap on it to open more options. After that, select Settings. Next, locate the Followers and Public Content option and tap on it. Then, look for the option called Public Post Notifications. Tap on it to manage who can receive notifications when you post something. Here, you will have three choices: Public, Friends of Friends, and Only Me. Choose the option that best suits your privacy preference. Once you have made your choice, click on the Save button to confirm your settings. Finally, you have successfully learned how to manage who gets notified about your posts in Facebook Lite. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with others. Thanks for watching.